Central government, they will be ready to hear our voice.
सर देखा जा रहा है उससे पहले भी बहुत लोगों ने डिमांड ये उठाया है और कुछ दिन पहले स्टूडेंट फेडरेशन ने भी किया है, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का क्या रिएक्शन है और ये जो डिमांड आप लोग कर रहे हैं इससे अगर बंगाली में होता है तो किस तरह का दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ेगा, इसके बारे में?
See, maximum 99% people, the indigenous people and the student demand for Roman script because we can see clearly it affect and the phonetic and semantic of the language. Many languages we cannot write in Bengali script. So it is seen clearly that both in phonetic and semantic, the Bengali script affect the Kokborok language.
So you are demanding Roman script?
Yeah, we are demanding Roman script and the government should fulfill our demands because maximum student, we can say 100% student are demanding Roman script for Kokborok. And if the government are not ready to hear our voice, I believe they are deaf because they should ask the students who are studying, but they are not taking a concern of student. The government, they are doing whatever they want. We believe our demand will be heard by the government of India. As we are meeting today the governor, we believe he will be very kindful enough to fulfill our demands.
अगर आपका ये जो डिमांड है अगर ये फुलफिल नहीं होता तो आप लोगों का अगली स्टेप क्या हो?
See, if the governor is also not taking a step, we will go to the government of India. We will write to the PM also, if possible, because the governor should listen. He should be very neutral and he should hear the voice of the students and the people, especially the native indigenous people of Tripura, because he is governor to all the people of the state. He should not be a one-sided governor. We believe the governor will be very kind enough to fulfill our demands.
अगर ये फुलफिल नहीं होता तो क्या होगा आपका अगली स्टेप?
Today, as we have planned to submit a memorandum, if any response is not given by the governor or the government officials, we are ready to go for a bigger movement. We may call a strike within White State also. So that is our to go with a bigger step.